Hey, what is up guys, NVASS here, and this is supposedly to be a second video in the Code with NVAS series. Before I get into this, I want to tell you that I won't be able to film every single problem that I'm trying to solve, because sometimes I solve problems during the day and sometimes I solve problems during the night. And since I live in this apartment with other people, I don't think filming myself during the day is very convenient to me, because I will probably be disturbing them. So I realized I will only be able to film it during the nights. So yesterday during the day, I was able to solve around 5 lead code questions. All of them were sort of easy to me. So these are the problems that we've done. This is remove linked list. This is the problem that we've done in the last video. This is remove duplicates from a sorted list. And these are my submissions. I was able to do it in the first attempt itself. And this one's another problem, and this one specifically is reversing of linked list. And this one is sort of a merge sort problem where I have 2 different linked lists and I'm supposed to merge them. I realized if I'm spending time experimenting and explaining what I'm trying to do and solve the problem, it is taking very long time, obviously, because I'm talking and I'm trying to explain what I'm trying to do. But the other thing is I was overcomplicating the problem again and again. So yesterday I tried a different problem. It was binary tree level order traversal. I tried to film that and I realized I was filming it for about 50 minutes, but I wasn't getting a solution. I tried several attempts, and after 50 minutes I decided I'll give up, because it was getting too long and I don't think it'll be feasible for me to make a video which is an hour long and then end up without an answer. So I was trying to explain it while I'm doing it, just like the first video, and it was going very long. Yesterday, if you look at the test cases, I had memory limit exceeded. I had like two submission errors, and I was trying to build my own test cases and test it, and it was failing. It was kind of daunting and overwhelming again on the same side. So I tried to stop that yesterday, and today I sat again and started doing it. And I started, I don't know when, but somewhere around 1:20 maybe, and within 20 minutes I was able to solve the entire problem. So I realized I am facing difficulty in explaining and doing it. I mean, I thought I was doing a good job while explaining the problem and trying to do it at the same time, but I realized my mind was not cooperating. Like, if I'm doing it without explaining to anybody, it's sort of working. I'm trying to see what the error is. I'm trying to predict all the paths that I'm taking, and I was trying to, I was in a position to get an algorithm and get it into working. But on the other hand, if I'm trying to explain it, then I am trying to see, look at things that I've already solved before and think and dig more deep into a problem, and sometimes creating a scenario that doesn't even exist and try to write code for that. So it is a mess. Okay, I am dealing with that mess. And eventually it is important, because I can't, give this reason out to, an interviewer who is interviewing me. If he wants me to explain what I'm doing, obviously he would want to see how I'm thinking. And I can't tell him that I would just write code, because explaining it will only make it messy. It doesn't work out that way. So I should honestly work on explaining and solving at the same time. So for that reason, I believe the videos are going to be a little longer. Probably this will happen only during the initial days, but as I keep uploading more videos and as I keep solving more problems while I'm talking to the video, then maybe I'll be in a position to overcome that in a few days. But until then, the video length is going to be more. If you want to watch the entire video, I'd be glad, because if your suggestions are also something that I can take. But if you don't want to watch the entire video but only watch specific parts, I'm trying to use the concept of chapters in YouTube. So if you look at the first video right now, I think you've already noticed the recent feature in YouTube where you can add timestamps, and that will make chapters. So that will tell you like how long this segment is. So I've been adding some chapters. So if you want to see only a specific part of the code, like if you want to see, sorry about that. So if you want to see a part where I talk about, basic explanation on how I want to solve the problem, you can just go to that chapter and explore the video from there. So you won't be able to, you don't have to watch the entire video. So in that case, like here I mentioned about the updated code, the final code that I come up with. So you can go to this this segment directly and watch that. So in this video, I'm not discussing any problem, but it's just an update video on how I'm planning to take things further. Again, disclaimer, these are not tutorials. These are documentation of me trying to solve the problems. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Maybe I'll come up with a new video, a new problem set, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. But for now, this is the update I have. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.